Buonasera.
Good afternoon. I will now introduce the project, which is a 4-year project within the framework of Horizon 2020. De facto, this has just started in January 2017, and we are still completing preliminary phases.
L'Horizon 2020, quindi un progetto che si inquadra nel regolamento 1291.
You see details about the Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Framework Program. It is a consortium of 73 partners. 8 are from Italy. 5 sectors are included. It is not limited to the viticultural sector. I would say that viticulture makes out a small part of the entire project.
Filiere seminativo, lattiero, frutticolo, che naturalmente.
See 5 sectors. And it has 19 different 4-year sub-projects whose focus is safety, sustainability, and the improvement of competitiveness in the agri-food sector. The common feature of all these projects, as Gianni said earlier on, is the usage of Internet of Things, the Internet of Things, which means the usage of technologies which permit to have sensors speak to the cloud and through the cloud so that they can be used in real time. The use case we are part of is use case 3.2 on the fruit growing sector, which involves, of course, vine growing. The name is Big Wine Optimization. It is a use case that evidently focuses on the production of wine. Partners are ST Microelectronics, that supplies the technology, the sensors and readers and so on and so forth. And then Denis Dubourdieu Domaine, vine grower. That is the final user of technologies devised. And this also entails the fact that we have a very practical approach in this project. Then the IMS laboratory, Bordeaux, it was a research institute, CEALETI, Vineyard, ISVEA, and they work in the field of research. The first one, CEALETI, for software and analytical support in process to wine. That was the software, sorry. General objectives. We talk about the Internet of Things applied to the entire vine-growing, winemaking sector, from production to the making of wine to storage, transport, and distribution of the product. The general objectives of the project concern limiting the usage of chemical inputs, automation in selective harvesting, the monitoring of meteorological, phenological data in the winery so as to be able to create models so as in turn to make everything more effective and streamline what has to be done. Finally, what we are most interested in, because this is what we Italian partners see to, we have the remote characterization of vine composition and its evolution in the winery in real time, as I said, and monitoring remotely transport and storage conditions, which also include or includes distribution of wine. The expected benefit are linked to the acquisition of a huge amount of data and their modeling, and the development of the capabilities of managing them, processing them, and possibly also making everything automatic or semi-automatic in terms of decision making and following actions. And this also entails having data and knowledge of the estate, of the project, of the sector. Another expected benefit is a better eco-sustainability. Whereby carbon footprint is reduced, energy consumption, water consumption will be reduced or optimized. We also would like to optimize the recycling and reusing of waste, and another benefit is intensifying the control of key indicators of the quality of the wine in the winery, and then a reduction of risks linked to possible changes in the product from the moment when it is bottled to the moment when it is sold and drunk. Special emphasis was given to organic production, which definitely can benefit from a better control. Given the fact that in organic vine growing and wine making, there are a number of limitations that have to be taken into account.
Che ovviamente riguardano il prodotto a prescindere.
The product, of course, would benefit in this case even more from this approach. Specifically, the final users that grow organically will be based in Italy, and that is the conclusion. Thank you.